Hi everyone, welcome to the best kitchen. Today's recipe is how to make Vietnamese shrimp cake, aka chả tôm or chao tôm. All ingredients and measurements are listed in the description box just right below the video. To view it, click into the word show more or a small drop down arrow on the right hand side. Now let's get started. I use this frozen shrimp, peeled and deveined. Thawed overnight in the refrigerator. This morning I rinsed it with cold water and pat it dry with paper towels. Now dry again for the second time. The key of the recipe is your shrimp must be dry and must be cold. For this recipe, you will need 1 pound of shrimp, about 26 to 27 shrimps. $100 grams of ground pork, 2 shallots, and 3 white parts of scallion. Cut shrimp into small pieces. Cut scallion and shallots into small pieces. Then add everything into a large plate. Season with 2 teaspoons of sugar, 1 teaspoon of kosher salt. If you use regular table salt, then you need to use less. Half teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, one tablespoon of cornstarch, quarter teaspoon of baking soda, then mix everything together. And you will need 1 egg white and 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Mix it well, then add to the shrimp. Now mix everything well together. Then flatten it down into a thin layer. Cover, put in the freezer for 2 hours or until it's partly frozen. Now it's ready to use. Divide the shrimp in half. Add half to the food processor. Then press a pause button 30 to 40 times to chop the shrimp. Scrape it down, then let it run for 1 minute. Scrape it down again, then let it run for 1 more minute or until the shrimp paste becomes very thick and elastic. Now it looks perfect. Transfer the paste into a bowl. Then place in the refrigerator, then continue to puree the rest of the shrimp. Now put all the shrimp paste into a bowl and refrigerate it for at least 30 minutes. Wash the machine with cold water right after it's used. All the leftover shrimp paste will come off very easily. Bring a pot of water to boil. For the shrimp paste, evenly flatten it out. Then divide it into 6 equal portions. If you like to wrap the shrimp paste around the sugar cane, then you may do so. This recipe will make about 18 pieces. I prefer to shape my shrimp paste into patty. It's so much faster and to me it tastes better too. Lightly oil 6 small bowls. Dip your hand in cold water to prevent it from sticking. Place 1 portion in your hand, throw it down and pick it up. Repeat this for 10 to 15 times. This will make shrimp taste more chewy with smoother texture. Then shape it into a round ball. Place in a grease bowl. Continue to shape the rest of the paste. Lightly oil a spatula. Press to flatten it down. Cover with foil wrap. This will prevent any water from dripping into your cake when it's steaming and also keeping it moist. Steam these over boiling water for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, turn the heat off, but leave this cake in there for 10 more minutes. Remove this cake and wait for it to cool. These are cooked. When it cools, you can either grill or fry. Also, you can store them in a Ziploc bag, refrigerator, or freezer for later use. Add oil to a wok. Fry these on medium heat for a couple minutes. I will fry 3 cakes. The other 3 I will dry with an air fryer. When the cake turns light golden color, then remove from the oil. Place it on a plate that lined with paper towel to absorb all the excess oil. Lightly oil the basket. Cook these at 400 degrees for 5 to 6 minutes. Flip to the other side and cook for a few more minutes. Please watch it closely to prevent it from burning. Let's wait for it to cool for a few minutes before cutting. The colors look great and it smells delicious. This one is a fried one. It looks perfect. Very chewy, just like what I was looking for. I hope you will give this recipe a try. It's delicious and very easy to make. This one is from an air fryer. The color looks the same with same chewy texture. Okay, now it's time to taste. From an air fryer first. It tastes delicious, but the outer skin is a little dry. Now the fried one. Yum! It tastes perfect. The skin is not dry and it has a very nice flavor to it. I prefer the fried one. This usually served like appetizer, rolled with lettuce, fresh herbs, fine rice, vermicelli, and Vietnamese dipping sauce. I have already shared my recipe for dipping sauce and carrot pickle. Please click into the link below or visit the Best Kitchen website for printable recipe. Thank you so much for watching and I hope you have a wonderful day.